All right, you're live.
You might want to try and see Avery chasing her sister in the net.
What, is this a new toy of yours?
It's an old toy.
How long it took to get them back in there last night?
What?
To get back in the house last night. They didn't want to go back in.
Why?
I don't know.
The kids?
No, them.
The chicken?
Yeah. He was sitting there out here at 8:30 last night in his pajamas rounding them up.
You gotta force them to go back in?
Yeah, they don't know how it works yet. Okay.
Well, how long you had them for?
Here.
2 years?
They want to stay outside.
Oh, really? What was?
Yeah, I didn't put them out until I got fencing.
Oh, you just put the fence up yesterday. God Family Chicken Farm. Nice hockey stick. Dude, you gotta bring that stick with you when you come down the shore. With what? No, a bluebird?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. You're not supposed to shoot bluebirds, right? Here, let's open this up again. Home sweet home. Keep guard, watch for escapees.
One time, the other day, one time stick his head out and I stick from here.
Really?
Yeah.
Where do you stick his head out from?
Right here.
Underneath?
Yeah, and I pulled him out from here.
You pulled him out
Yeah.
this side of the fence?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, on the other side.
Oh, the other side?
Where the mom. I just want to get out.
Yeah.
You know what? All of these are the friends. You know what? We'll eat something to shoot up.
There was a dog?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Close the door. Really? Backyardchickens.com? We're not gonna get the chicken food with these chickens, are we? What's that, Big Newton?